Hello guys, it's me again, Kroos, and today we're gonna be playing food fight. As you can see, I have 899,000, and I'm gonna say something. I'm really good at math, so mathematics, and I mean math, and I'm gonna say how much we need. We need 458 more to get 900,000, and boom, we're gonna open this if we had a pack load. No! We had really much pack load! OMG in the first pack! Guys, wait. It's Kroos! It's 90 Kroos!
Yeah, Mohammed,
25,000 packs!
Me and you can open it.
OMG 98,000! And guys, that was my brother who was talking like Mohammed, because my name is actually Mohammed Kamardin and his name is Zain Kamardin.
Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh shit, did you?
No!
Yes! Why did I waste 25,000? This is not a race.
Okay, I got 88.
Guys, he was trying to waste me. Wait. No! Look at this! 982,857. Why? Okay, just kidding. And he's laughing. Please.
Yes!
Oh no.
One more good one.
Wait.
Okay.
Come on! Be the one! Yes, it's Isco! No. Oh, I thought it was Isco. Oh, this is only
I got
red.
86. I got 86.
Can you believe what I got?
Okay.
Don't you talk! Don't you talk! No, I'm talking with my video right now. Oh, shh. Shh. Shh.
Why can't we all...
Shush!
Okay.
Shush! I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my video. Sorry guys, only my brother was talking and I was talking.
I love this.
Stop talking!
Why can't I talk?
Because I'm the... Oh my god. Yes.
Oh.
No! Come on! No! How is this even possible? No way! Stop it! I hate you!
I hate you too.
Oh, it won.
I hate you. I hate
Guys, do you
you.
see how much money I have? Oh, let's buy 80 plus pack.
Oh.
Yes! As we get a... No! Wait,
I buy it.
is it? Yes! It is EX and how? How much? 89, okay, 89. Really? Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, and it's believless. This, and sorry, I don't know what it sounds good. I'm gonna be opening only this one till I don't have. Oh yeah. No.
Why don't you open with me, Zan?
No! Oh, I hate you. Wait! I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna open 1 million pack. I already knew that I have 1 million. This is okay, guys. You always get put on like that, so you don't need to be happy. So happy. Oh no! This is no way. This is already no. No way! I can sell everyone here. This is unbelievable.
Sell.
How much? Guys, can you believe it? I get 1,072,461 money. This is... Look, I can show you. Look. I'm really happy about this. I'm only getting new checks all the time. You always get like that. Yes! Is it? No way. If this is Maradona, yeah. I'm gonna do it. We get him 2 times in a pack. I can't even talk. I'm gonna like shout, but I don't want to. We have 1 million guys again. How many 1 million are we gonna get? How much is the record? I got 1 million 3 times now. This is unbelievable. I can't.
Why do I get so...
Wait. Oh, wait. Is it Ronaldo? Is it 96? Yes! Guys, it's 96 Ronaldo. This is unbelievable. Look, De Gea and De Bruyne. Yes, I got it.
I'll go on.
Oh, yes! I have 1 million again. Look, guys, how many 1 million? How? This is my fifth 1 million. So, oh no, no, this is not 98. No. Oh, oh my God, I'm gonna like cry. Oh my God, 97 Maradona and 96 Ronaldo. Oh my God, this is my new card. Wait, Suarez is not really new for me, but yeah. But look, what's this? Ronaldo. Unbelievable, guys. I'm gonna sell. No, not this. Okay, guys, I need to sleep now because the clock is 9:55. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop the video here. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and please only make me a favor that we hit 2,000 likes. I'm only not really much good with subscribers, so yeah. See you guys in the next video.